In today's digital age, the internet offers a plethora of opportunities for individuals to make money online. Whether you are looking to supplement your income or embark on a full-time online career, there are several ventures that can potentially lead you to financial success. However, with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to determine which venture is the right fit for you. In this article, we will explore 7 online money-making ventures and help you identify the one that has the potential to make you rich. Freelancing, your gateway to financial independence. Freelancing has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its flexibility and earning potential. By leveraging your skills and expertise in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, you can offer your services on various freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Why choose freelancing? It allows you to work on projects of your choice while setting your own rates and working hours. The more clients you acquire and the higher quality work you deliver, the greater your chances of increasing both your reputation and income. E-commerce, building an empire from scratch. The rise of e-commerce has revolutionized how people shop worldwide. Platforms like Shopify have made it easier than ever for entrepreneurs to start their own online stores without any technical knowledge. What makes e-commerce appealing? With drop shipping models or by creating unique products yourself, selling goods online provides an opportunity for exponential growth as there are no geographical limitations. Anyone with an internet connection can become a customer. Affiliate marketing, profiting from recommendations. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services through personalized referral links in exchange for a commission when someone makes a purchase using those links. Why should you consider affiliate marketing? It requires minimal investment since all product development and order fulfillment is handled by others. By building trust and a loyal audience, you can generate passive income through your recommendations. Online courses, sharing knowledge for profit. If you possess specialized knowledge or skills in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative venture. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable provide the infrastructure to host and market your courses effectively. What's the appeal of online courses? They offer scalability. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly without additional effort. Furthermore, as demand for lifelong learning increases, people are willing to pay for valuable educational content. Stock market trading, riding the waves of financial markets. For those with an interest in finance and a knack for analysis, stock market trading presents an opportunity to make significant profits from buying and selling stocks. Why consider stock market trading? While it requires thorough research and understanding of market trends, successful traders have the potential to earn substantial returns on their investments. However, it is crucial to approach this venture with caution as it also carries inherent risks. Content creation, monetizing your passion. With platforms like YouTube or TikTok gaining massive popularity, content creation has become a viable way to make money online by sharing your creativity with the world. What makes content creation attractive? It allows you to showcase your talents while building an engaged audience that can translate into sponsorships, brand collaborations, advertising revenue streams such as Google AdSense or Patreon donations. Virtual real estate, profiting from digital assets. Virtual real estate refers to websites or domains that have established authority in specific niches. By acquiring these assets and monetizing them through various means such as affiliate marketing or advertising space sales, individuals can generate passive income over time. Why invest in virtual real estate? As more businesses move online and competition increases for digital visibility, owning high-ranking websites offers immense profit potential through increased traffic flow and partnerships with other businesses seeking exposure. In conclusion, as we've explored these 7 online money-making ventures, it becomes clear that there is no one-size-fits-all solution. The right venture for you depends on your skills, interests, and willingness to invest time and effort. To find the venture that will make you rich, consider what aligns with your passions and strengths. Determine why a particular venture appeals to you and how it can help you achieve financial success. Research extensively to understand the intricacies of each option before taking the plunge. Remember, success in any online venture requires perseverance, adaptability, and continuous learning. By choosing the right path for yourself and dedicating yourself wholeheartedly to its pursuit, you can pave the way towards a fulfilling and prosperous future.